YouTube. Wanted to show you this little quick video of my calamondin. Today is the 30th of October. Last video you saw of this was done in June, where I was plucking these, and look at today. Just a quick little video. Look at all these flowers, all these blooms. And even I got this guy right here working. He's on the job. Make sure I have more. I'm going to pluck today all of these except for this one. It's not ready, but they're ready to go. Once I pluck these, the new ones will come in probably within 4 months or less. Your Weekend Gardener, and I'm out.